guys, I'm Vikas Dudhe. I completed my master's in computer science and diploma in big data analytics. Currently working in data science domain as a data engineer. So when I started this journey of data science field, which I started in 2018, I faced a lot of challenges after doing certifications, which I've done online. To have good hands-on experience on projects, I was googling and I've been gone through different sites and I found out different solutions and different techniques to solve. But then I came to know about the Project Pro and landed on the Project Pro website, which helped me to understand the problem and problem statement, and the project's description helped me to understand, oh, okay, this is how I have to solve this problem. So, which helped me a lot in my career transition when I started my data science journey. I found a proper way of data science project life cycles, which actually used to follow, and that I've found it on the Project Pro portal, which helps me in concentrate the outcome. Otherwise, for each problem, I have to face different sites, and I have to look for different solutions and then decide which one suits for my problem statements. So I have gone through different project explanations and code files. With the proper documentation, I'm able to understand the flow of code and implementation of the problem statement, which is only available on the Project Pro portal. So what I like about this portal is you have the option to choose your career path, whether you want to go for data science project portfolio or a data engineer portfolio. So you just have to select it, and uh, in a couple amount of time you will get a list of projects which you have to do before going into the industry and make your a career as a in the data science field. So choose a career path, practice, and build a portfolio and make yourself industry ready for a career in a data science field. So this is from my point of view, it's a one-stop for all solutions in the data science field. And I strongly recommend, if you are starting a data science journey with a Project Pro, it's worth investing in the project learning experience. And the best part is that they are regularly updating new projects as a new technology comes into the market. So I wish you best luck, happy learning, and keep going. Thank you.